Josh and Aiden Family Vlog!
Hello guys! Welcome back! Mag-unbox tayo for this video. This item was bought in SM Downtown Cagayan City. This item is Kids Study Desk. This desk helps our kids organize, study, and keep their writing materials tidy. It also assures the comfort of our child. It can also provide kids interactive learning environment that will promote a high level of academic achievement and development. Some ask if, is it good to study on a study desk? While it is very important that kids, when they are studying, they should sit in a proper posture. It's always stated that sitting in a proper study desk or table and chair for kids helps them concentrate and focus on their study project, especially when our kids still learning how to write, read, and draw. There is an increasing number of injuries including neck, back, and shoulder discomfort and muscle and joint pain that are a result of improper configured workspace. And those are some of the advantages of the study table for our children.
For more videos, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.